time is immortal, and relation with the human race and the time has been inseparable, and the clock towers have been inseparable part of human life. This is the typical 129 years old clock tower in the northern India, usually in the prominent places. This heritage monument in northern India, in western Uttar Pradesh, is a typical symbolizing the Hindu unity, Muslim unity at the initiative of then collector ICS Sir Mr. Morrison, equally contributed by the Hindu and Muslim elites of this town, sleepy town of Aligarh, which houses the Aligarh Muslim University, also has withstood the vagaries of weather, and one could identify just an important landmark nevertheless. And the architecture and the red stone is primarily used, and this is in the civil lines of Aligarh, nearby being the important district court, collectorate, as well as Aligarh Junction. Wonderful, time-tested, 129 years legality still withstands and serves as a close affinity and symbolizes the Hindu-Muslim unity. Nevertheless, bye-bye.